skid steer of the shop now. All the new hoses put on it. Just have to lift it up and take these piece of wood out. And then put the cab up after I lift up the arms to put the seat on properly. A new safety lock switch here. I put those new air shocks on that lift gate for the back, but it's not strong enough, so I welded two together. Still not strong enough to keep it up, so weld three on it, but it's better than having it loose. And then it had a little fire down in there, some leaves, and then the rubber started to catch on fire. So I had to run to the truck and grab a fire extinguisher because the one I had was empty. So that was a close call. Could have ran and got some water, but fire extinguisher was faster. Tried lifting it up too, and then I hit the lights there with the arms. Have to use a pry bar, lift up the cab, take that wood out. Still smokes on startup. Messy job, that's for sure. Look at all this garbage, all this debris. Still have to put these covers on for the hoses coming out behind the tracks. This mini excavator is pretty much ready to go. Just have to grease it up. And this one, just have to change the cylinder seals on that cylinder there and the one right there, and then weld a piece for the boom going side to side under the cab. Replace the hoses I needed to. Well, that was a long job, this one here. Tight quarters. It's meant for tiny fingers, tiny arms, tiny forearms, but I got it done.